it? Gunpowder.
Yeah, right, mate. Why is nobody else crying in?
You were?
We'll meet again. Don't know where. Don't know where. But I know we'll meet again some sunny day. Keep smiling through, just like you always do. Till blue skies drive the dark clouds far away. So will you please say hello to the folks that I know? Tell them I won't be long. They'll be happy to know that it's you singing this song. We'll meet again. Don't know where. Don't know where. But I know we'll meet again some sunny
Shout on it. There you go, that's not written, eh? No, I thought it was supposed to finish. The old bombs.
of hope and glory, Mother of How shall we exalt thee, who art holy? Wider, new and wider shall thy bounds be. Next time. Big loud voices. Make it work.
Smoke over the bridge there.
Cool, blimey, yeah.
All the behind you, that's clouds of
There's all hope and glory, Mother of the free.
One little one, eventually. Close at the last one, you know.
Side as well.
I'd say it differs at 9:47 as well. Really wanted that, get that space and get drinking there.
Putting the new in. Who's ever lost about to get there?
Well, yeah, but then they might have dropped the under 20 points. Well, no, 21.
Right, do you have a word from you then, Dominic?
Well, and this is for the news. Oh, it's very good. Yeah, come back here. God, bloody hell, God, you know.
Hey!
That's it. Yeah, 2 left.
Oh, I'm still filming. Did they not go down that side?
Probably getting rid of some of the others.
Nah, we were lucky. We were lucky there.
Ollie, what was he?